One, two, three. What is bothering me? Car wash station. Hello there. It is me, JP, in my dungeon garage. The light is not bad here. I'm right under it, the fluorescent light. So I think you'll be able to see me this time in this video. So let's wash my car, the C230 2009 W204 chassis. It's Saturday today, about 9:30 a.m. And it's quite quiet here in our dungeon garage. So let's take out the stuff. Actually, I'll just put it here on my bench, my seat. Have my microfiber towels. And I also have a little brush here. What else? My car wash soap from Chemical Guys. There it is. And last but not least of all is my spritzer. If you guys are wondering where I bought this spritzer, I bought it at Canadian Tire I think it's been 2 years since I purchased it. It cost $18–19. Looks kind of cheap and flimsy, but it's actually quite good. It works quite well. You put the car wash soap in here in this reservoir. You attach the hose to there. Of course, it's not as strong as a power washer. It's as strong as the water pressure from your house or your building, but that's fine. You don't need high pressure for washing cars anyways. And you can adjust the nozzle here, which kind of stream you want to come out. Like that. Holding the camera with one hand and nozzle with the other hand, as you can see. Over here, let's be under the light. You can adjust how much soap you want to enter the chamber. So this is just for adjustment of the amount of soap that you want to use at any given present juncture. Anytime. You can go full retard or full blast or no soap whatsoever, so the water bypasses the chamber. So let's get that done. With that being said, let's get that started. Well. This is the dark side of the garage. There should be a light bulb here. Should be another fluorescent light right here. There isn't any. I'm gonna wash my car outdoors one day so you can see properly what I'm doing and how I do it. Unfortunately, like I've mentioned so many times in these videos, this garage, unless I buy a light, a filming light, or one of those hollow, I think it's called halo lights, yeah. A halo light for filming, and bring it down here to the car in the garage and point it at the car and start filming. It's gonna cost a few dollars. So I'm done washing the car, and I have the car as of right now 99% dry or dried. I can't really show the end result because it's not very conducive. The lighting here is very poor, unfortunately, but there you have it. That's the pretty much the end result. Maybe I could take it out in the parking lot, but I don't feel like taking the car out of the garage at this present time, so you're gonna have to squint your eyes and try to see the results. I don't feel like taking the car outdoors right now. So that's it. Thanks for watching my little car wash video. So it's my channel. If you wanna, I still have to change that light bulb for the left parking light, so I'm tired. So this is my channel. If you want to, if you like the video, let me know. If you don't like the video, let me know in the comments. If you have time to put a comment, also you can subscribe to my channel. I don't know what the next video is going to be about, whatever comes to my mind. Anyhow, thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day. Bye bye.